Jeffrey's skinny fat and he wants a muscular body, but he's confused. There's so much fitness advice online and it all contradicts each other. So he gets overwhelmed and he never starts exercising. Adonis started exercising by simply doing the things that makes his muscles burn. He didn't overwhelm himself with hours of research before starting. He just started. He knew it would take a while to build a body he was proud of. And so he just started and enjoyed the journey. Don't get overwhelmed by all of the videos you see on YouTube. The best way to start exercising is to simply just start, and knowing that you're going to be doing it in a somewhat unideal way. The issue is that most people, before they start, they want to know the best, most optimum, the most effective, efficient way to make muscle as fast as possible. That pursuit will actually slow you down. The best case scenario is that immediately we get you doing a bit of exercise every single day for the rest of your life. That's our intention, that's our goal. A bit of exercise every single day for the rest of your life. Now, you're probably a little bit confused and you're thinking, wait, don't you need rest days? Because everyone says rest days are really important. Rest days are very important, but what no one truly says is that we need to rest the particular muscle that's fatigued, not just the entire body. So let's say today your workout, a simple workout, is 100 push-ups. You're going to hit a bunch of push-ups in the morning, evening time, whatever. You go 100 in the day. Tomorrow, we probably wouldn't make you train chest again because you just hit your chest quite hard. So tomorrow, let's have you training a little bit of legs, doing some random leg exercise, leg workout that you find on YouTube. The day after that, let's get you going on a hike, a long walk, a little jog. The day after that, do a bunch of pull-ups at the park. These are very, very simple ways to get started. If you aren't consistent in exercise already, the huge priority above everything else is just focusing on getting that consistency in. And the consistency does not come from the usual advice that you've seen online where people are telling you, okay, go to the gym 3 times a week, strong lifts 5 times 5. No. Those weightlifting routines are okay for people who don't suffer from those up and down days. If you're watching this video, if you aren't consistent in exercise, I'm assuming you've had times where you've exercised a couple times per week. But then you've also had times where you just kind of forgot to exercise like 2 weeks in a row. The priority is that we get you doing a little bit of exercise every single day. So now you know, okay, you should be doing a little bit of exercise every day. What kind of workout should you do? The very simple advice that I preach is simply, if you don't have much equipment, you don't have much knowledge, literally just go onto YouTube, just search for workout and just watch one of the videos, follow it as best as you can. That's a good form of exercise when you're a complete beginner. Just follow one of those. I will also create a workout on the app that I use and I'll just link it below. You literally just click on the app and it'll be saved to your phone. A simple workout, no equipment really needed. Maybe you'll need like a backpack. And just start doing something like that every day. When I have a new client come to me who says that their workout history is a little bit inconsistent, they've been missing a bunch of days, they haven't even exercised in 2 weeks, I always make them a similar routine, which is a full body every single day. And you've probably never seen that type of routine recommended before. And as always, the thing I preach is that don't follow the advice of the 99% because you will get the results of the 99%. All you will get from following me is a body that looks like mine. And so if you want a body that looks like mine, follow the advice. If you don't want a body that looks like mine, then don't follow the advice. But I mean, this is what my body looks like. So full body every single day when you first start off. Hopefully you have a little bit of equipment, some light dumbbells. If not, we can still make it work, but that's the intention. Full body every single day. Don't think of taking rest days. I actually want you to think that if you miss a day, we're going to count that as a failure. Because we're not doing a full weightlifting routine. We don't need rest days. We're only going to get you working out sharp, aggressive, 20 to 45 minutes max. You could do that every single day for the rest of your life. Seriously, you can. I know that every other YouTuber would disagree with me, and then rest days are so vital, especially you guys on Reddit as well. Like, rest days are vital, you're overtraining. No. This is what our bodies are made for. Early humans didn't have rest days. They had rest, they had sleep, of course, but they woke up and then they jogged 35 miles chasing down the boar. They worked out, they did something strenuous every single day. That's what we're emulating. Once you are consistent in exercise, once you've been exercising, let's say 6-ish days per week for a couple of weeks straight, then we can move you onto a routine that maximizes muscle growth. But if we just try to put you onto that maximizing muscle growth routine when we first start, like most guys want to do, most guys just want to make as much muscle and lose as much fat, they want to see as much body progress as possible, you fall off it. How many times have you gotten into exercise and then just stopped? Too many. The reason why is because you didn't make it into a real habit. That's what we're trying to shortcut. That's my advice for how to start exercising consistently. Focus on making it into a habit as fast as possible. Now, the science of making something into a habit is a little bit different here and there. Some people say that it takes 30 days to build a habit. Other people say that it takes 66. Let's take 66. Now, what no one's made clear is that it's not exactly days, it's events. It's how many times you've done that habit. So 66 workouts. Now that could take you 66 days, just over 2 months if you followed my advice and you worked out almost every day. Or you could follow the advice of the fat redditors who you don't want to look like. They say to work out 3 times a week and lift heavy weights. How long is it going to take you to hit 66 workouts if you only work out 3 times a week? Too long. That's why I don't follow that advice. For something like exercise, it heavily benefits from habit science, habit knowledge. I highly suggest you at least listen or watch a YouTube summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. That will really help you. But the short version of that is just make it easy for yourself. Do the habit at the same time every single day for the rest of your life. So preferably after the same preset behavior. So the way that I got consistent into exercise for the first time in my life was that I made this was my morning routine. Wake up, have a poop, exercise. I did this like so much. Like, the amount of times that is completely normal for me now. Wake up, have a poop, exercise. That's exactly how I did it, and that's like pretty much the easiest way is to exercise somewhat first thing in the morning, because that's the habit, the preset behaviors that will always be consistent. If you exercise after parts of the day, near the evening time, you are going to miss a lot of days because you're going to be tired at 8 p.m. You're going to be tired at 9 p.m. after a full day of work. And yeah, you could work out because you're motivated today, but 3 days from now, you're going to be extra tired. You're not going to do it. If you want exercise to be the priority, if you want that body transformation to be your priority, make it the priority. Work out first thing in the morning, preferably stacking the exercise habit on top of an already consistent habit. And the most consistent habit you have of your life is waking up. So nice and easy stack right there. If you want to see more videos from an unconventional small YouTuber, I suggest you scroll down and click on the subscribe and the post notification buttons, and you'll get a message when I next upload my videos, and they're all for free. I help people on a one-to-one basis with self-improvement coaching. I do that for free and also for paid programs. So if you want my one-to-one help for free, or if you want to pay for it, there'll be the self-improvement coaching link in the description. You can just go have a look at it. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.
Woo!